Hi, welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. I'm Kim C. If you are first timer here, please do follow or subscribe. Since I already have a microwave, the power pack 20-liter microwave oven, today I will be using this microwave to cook microwave food. Today, the first food I will cook is this CP chicken sausage fried rice. It's halal. It's simple. Just open this. How to open? Yeah, not open. Yeah. I need a pen knife. Open this. Yes. The plastic take out. Plastic take out. Inside 先换呢. Open a bit here. If not, the air cannot come out. Yeah, open a bit. Yeah. You want see inside lah. Let's take a look inside. Oh, it's like that. Frozen. 唔知好食冇 but see how lah. Let me go and microwave. See, this is the first thing I microwave. A fried rice. This one I haven't used. Today use first one. Say 13, about 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes. How defrost first. I also don't know leh. Should be 现在啦 just medium lah. See how Okay, just now medium heat cannot, still very cold. That's why now I move to high and then 5 minutes. And then I can smell the fried rice smell already. Very 金香咯 See? Wow. Alright, it's ready and very super hot So after every microwave, do you all wash the microwave or clean the microwave? I also not sure. You all tell me lah. Okay, it look like that. Okay. Let me focus. This one cost me about $3 something lah. But you buy 2 packet about $6 something lah. This one, inside got the chicken sausage, the rice a bit only lah. But it's fried rice lor. Later then I try lah. Should I add some pepper? Like a bit only not a lot lah. This one, I think 1.5 handful of rice only. Okay, let me try it. The rice like noa like that. You see? You all see yourself? Got appetite not? 看了吃肉未? Let me try lah. Let me try first. Not very perfect rice It's like how I cook one My house cook one the fried rice. And then they got green beans inside. Got some flavor. Like the chicken sausage. A bit hard. The sausage no taste at all. I think microwave food is all like that lah. Yeah. Tastes like what I cook. The rice put too much water, those type of rice. Then the rice you put too much water, then you use it and go and fry it, it become sticky like that. You don't have those 粒粒分明the rice. But the taste is there lah. Yeah, the taste is there. But this one, you see, hardened. This one like the whole piece here stick together. But in the future, I think everybody eating this type of thing lah. because everything getting higher and higher. You ask me can eat or not, can lah. But you ask me tasty or not, this one the like I cook one no. Okay, this is my review on this microwave fried rice. So you want to buy, up to you lah. Want to buy or don't want to buy, you go and buy and try lah. I'll see you next week. To put some chili sauce.